Traveling with an infant or toddler can be a rewarding yet challenging experience, but with the right preparations, you can make the journey smoother for both of you. Here are some useful tips. 1. Plan for flexibility. Expect delays and interruptions. Toddlers and infants can be unpredictable, so having extra time built into your itinerary helps reduce stress. Have backup plans in case of meltdowns or changes in routine. 2. Pack smart and light. Essentials: diapers, wipes, extra clothes, snacks, pacifiers, bottles, baby food, formula, or breast pump. Don't forget any medications or comfort items, like a favorite blanket or toy. Tote a well-organized diaper bag that's easy to access. Pack it with essentials like sanitizing wipes, hand sanitizer, and disposable changing pads. 3. Choose baby-friendly accommodations. Opt for accommodations that provide cribs or pack-and-plays, or at least request one in advance. If staying at a hotel, consider calling ahead to ask for any child-specific amenities like baby baths, high chairs, or child-proofing. 4. When flying, book flights around nap times to increase the chances of your child sleeping through part of the journey. Bring a car seat, if allowed, for safety, comfort, and support during the flight. Pre-board the flight. Airlines typically allow families with small children to board early, which gives you time to settle in. Snacks and distractions. Keep their attention on something enjoyable, like books, toys, or an iPad with kid-friendly shows, especially during takeoff and landing, when air pressure can be uncomfortable. Pack extra clothes for everyone in case of spills or accidents. 5. For road trips. Frequent breaks. Plan for stops every 2 to 3 hours so your toddler can stretch and burn off some energy. Car toys. Bring toys, snacks, and entertainment for the car ride to keep your child engaged. Comfort items. A favorite blanket or stuffed animal can help your child feel more secure during long car rides. 6. Snacks and meals. Pack easy-to-eat snacks. Crackers, fruit pouches, small sandwiches, and baby-safe finger foods work well. Bring water or juice that can be easily consumed. Meal planning for toddlers. If your toddler is picky about food, bring familiar snacks and meals, or check the airlines or restaurants' kid-friendly options in advance. 7. Baby-wearing baby carriers or slings are a lifesaver for navigating crowded airports, train stations, or sightseeing. It helps keep your child close while keeping your hands free. For toddlers, consider a lightweight stroller that's easy to fold and carry when not in use. 8. Health and safety. Always have a first aid kit with essentials like band-aids, baby pain relievers, diaper rash cream, and thermometers. Keep a health checklist for your baby or toddler, including any prescriptions or over-the-counter medicine, and make sure to bring copies of the doctor's contact information. Be mindful of hygiene, especially when your child is exploring public spaces. Stick to routines. When possible, try to maintain some semblance of your child's normal routine, especially when it comes to nap time, bedtime, and mealtime. This can help prevent meltdowns and overstimulation. 10. Be patient and stay calm. Babies and toddlers are especially sensitive to your emotions. The more calm and patient you are, the more likely your child will be too. If your baby starts crying or gets fussy, try to soothe them with comforting techniques, and don't be afraid to ask flight attendants or fellow travelers for assistance if needed. With preparation and patience, traveling with little ones can be a fun adventure. Just remember to enjoy the journey.